If you haven't heard yet, you're about to. Here's a few people that'll tell you about what's happening with the ZeroPoint technology.
Hi, my name is Robin. I'm an energy worker. I've used ZeroPoint products for about 2 years now. My practice has changed dramatically since I've been using these tools. One of my clients discovered that she had cancer. I used the intention disc specifically to assist her in releasing the emotion of finding out about the cancer. I then used it on the sites in which she received the chemotherapy and the radiation, of which the emotion was dramatically reduced and the site had no pain, no reaction after that.
I'd like to share a little bit about the Matrix. I think it's a wonderful product. In addition to brushing my teeth with it, it's also good for indigestion. And the other night I had some problems with indigestion. I used a drop on my tongue and a drop on my forehead and a drop in my navel, and inside of 5 minutes or so that indigestion was completely gone and I was feeling good again.
Hi, I'm Janet. I was introduced to ZeroPoint Global products a month ago. I put the pendant on, which I have with me, and I started using the wand. My hot flashes, which were giving me like 12 or more times a day, from the top of my feet to the top of my head, break out in a sweat all over. Those hot flashes are probably decreased 95%, but nothing like it was before, just a tremendous improvement.
Hi, I'm Samuel Chacon. I was online late at night, laying on the bed, had the laptop on me, and I was like going surfing on the net. ZeroPoint Global was on there. I was taken by it so much that I integrated it into my life. Here I am 3.5 weeks later, and I'm networking with people all over the country. It's just completely fascinating. I can't stress it enough. Touch it, feel it, let it be part of your energetic system.
I've been using the ZeroPoint Global tools for about 2 years now, and one of the most exciting tools I find is the red laser. My wife used to have to go to the chiropractor, maybe 4 or 5 times a month with chronic back pain. And now I take the laser, shine it up and down her spine 4, 5, 6, 10 times, back and forth across her hips. Just that quick, her back issue is resolved. No more trips to the chiropractor.
For many years I've been wanting to find something that would really help people in their home space to neutralize EMF fields, electromagnetic fields. This frequency disc is by far the best thing I've ever used. I place it in my bed if I know that there's a lot of EMF fields around, and I also layer the citrus silk and or the mint oils on my body because they also do the same thing and put a nice protective bubble around myself, and I have a really wonderful, peaceful night's sleep.
Hi, my name is Barry Gibbs. I'm a retired NHL hockey player, and after 13 years of playing and being banged around, I have a lot of aches and pains. I love to play golf, and I use the 3-inch disc in my back pocket as I'm playing, which will take my pain away in my hip and my back. The other product that I use a lot of is the red laser. One item I can think of is I was with my granddaughters and I was licking the tin of the yogurt container off and I cut my tongue. I used the red laser immediately on it, and the little girl sat there and watched my cut close up and the blood stop, and I never even had a scar afterwards.
I just want to try to express how much ZeroPoint technology has really changed my life. Immediately I found I had more energy, more physical energy. I sleep better at night. All the physical, wonderful things of ZeroPoint, but what has really impressed me so much is my level of consciousness. I used to go throughout my day, I couldn't focus on one particular thing, thousands of thoughts going through my head. As soon as I started wearing my ZeroPoint pendant, I could tell I started focusing better, I could concentrate better, and in that, my reality around me started to change. My whole world started to change. My way of seeing things started to change in a more positive way. I want to tell the whole world about ZeroPoint and how it can change your life. I want your life to be a ZeroPoint life.